Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video how to make a three-sectional staff by your own. I will lead you step by step how to make three-sectional staff. Alright, so say we have three small pieces of the sticks. I will put them together as three-sectional staff. First of all, you need to have the stick. Normally you can buy from martial arts store to looking for the wax wood stick. Mostly they are taller than you, and you have to cut three pieces and then link them together as the three-sectional staff. What is the standard, how to cut and how to make them, right? So the first of all, you got to cut this two piece, not the middle part. They are same long and same size because the weight also important. Once you become one piece as a three-sectional staff, you gotta do flower, you have swing them. So these two, the best use will be the same size and same weight. And how long they should be? So you measure it. If you got one long wood, and then you measure the part you want. Mostly the front part, little skinning, will be always the best. You say from your finger until right your armpit. So this is the size should be for the one piece of a three-sectional staff. Same thing, exactly same by the other side. And this part will be different. This part you can do actually a little bit short. Okay, you see this? So this is armpit and this is a little bit short. Why this have to short? Because once you're using this two parts, once you become one piece. If this part too long, sometimes if you want to go across or blocking, if this one too long, it might be really hard to make this move, right? If they're too long, it will be a little hard for you to make that short combine blocking move. So this two part will be the same long like your arm, and this one you can be make short, a little bit bigger or skinnier. That is fine. The second thing you need is called three-sectional staff hooks. So this hooks, you need a two piece of them to link the three part of your three-sectional staff. You can Google it, called three-sectional staff hooks. And you will find many of them online. It's not so expensive. You should at least need two of them to make one three-sectional staff. The next thing you need to have is the small screw. It's very small. What is the size? Okay, I got to show you right here. Okay, let's see. I think it's a ½ inch. You see the small one, right? It's a ½ inch. You can buy from any Home Depot. Why we need this small? Because right, you see how I got disconnect the hook and with the screw. Right here, right? So the bigger one, the easier to tear the wood, and you got to make again. So the better you use this small. First of all, you take a two wood stick and one hook, and this part just link them by the small screw, right? So already this part, let's see another part I gotta put in. I have to be a little bit careful. I have to have this screwdriver, the cross. Right, so I gotta, first of all, I put that in. We're gonna do a twist just to make a little tighter, right? Check. Okay, this is pretty tight, this side pretty tight, and this is safe, right? That's good. And then you can make it a little tighter by hammer. I don't have one, but this is still works. So really make sure that tight, right? So mostly I prefer I just do this part. I don't do this part much unless I need it. And leave this part empty, but someone do, someone not. Because you say the part very close to edge. So this is short. Very easy to tear your wood. Once it's tear, the life is not that long. Okay? So let's do the same thing, the other part. So already have this part, and I right, so this is perfect. So I have this piece, and then the same thing for these two parts. Perfect. So see, we have the three-sectional made already. As I mentioned earlier, you should just take the edge of each part. And so once you're training, so your skin not gonna be squashed by those metals. Yes, so finish. I hope you can make your own three-sectional stuff at home and you can train it with me. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.